Hey guys, welcome back to Wi-Fi Rice Bowl. I'm your host Shadana Im, and today's video is an interesting video for you all. I'm going to trade my way from $20 all the way up to 52k under 30 days using price action day trading. Remember guys and girls, I got this idea from the Moving Average and Open for Profit YouTube channel, so check them out. So ladies and gentlemen, last week video we talked about active income, passive income, and most importantly high income skill. And right now I'm still having my active income, and from the active income I put it into my high income skill, which is forex day trading, and from there we're going to increase our capital. So remember guys and girls, we're already done with the theory lesson. It's already over. If you don't understand what I'm trying to say, go to the last week video. I already post the video, is up there. I got around like 6 views and I'm very happy about it. I cannot believe that people are watching my videos on YouTube, and it's pretty long. That's the reason why it's 16 minutes, because I went down and I explained a lot of things. Okay, it's very high in content, so I want you to take a piece of paper and a pen, sit down, write it out, and you can see if everything makes sense to you. And if you love what I do, you can like, you can share, you can subscribe, and most importantly, tell your family members that Wi-Fi Rice Bowl is here to stay, and nobody can remove us from the face of YouTube. Hey fams, I want to tell you something important. My brokerage only allows to deposit minimum of $200. So I only can start the challenge with $200. And I understand you say the challenge is $20. Shut up, what's with the 200? No, because my brokerage only allows minimum deposit of $200. So I have to start with $200 first. But if you have different brokerage account which allows you to put minimum amount of 50, 20 or 100 on and on, or less than 100, you can do the challenge too. But if your brokerage is like my case, allow minimum of $200, so you have to start with the amount. So what I'm going to do is I already deposit $200 already, and we're going to go into charts. We're going to talk about the dead trading pairs and on and on. So this video is very interesting. This video is more in depth already, so there's no more theoretical lesson. Theory is over, guys and girls. Today is practical. We're going to start practical from now until we become financially successful. So you all need to watch. So guys and girls, I'll be using two trading platforms. One is MT4, is MetaTrader 4. Another is TradingView. TradingView is for market charting, seeing the market, overall scope, what type of pair to trade, and on and on. But MT4 is for executing my orders, stop loss, break even, take profit. So I'll be using two platforms. Hey fams, I want to tell you something important. If you're using custom indicators, custom charts, or automated charts, it is okay. But end of the day, are you being profitable or not? You can using the most expensive chart or the most custom built chart, but you're not bringing in income. You are not a profitable day trader. But if you're using plain chart, but you are bringing in income, a consistent income, you are a profitable trader. So you need to understand there's nothing wrong. Okay, I myself admit that I'll be using EMAs, or I'll be using RSIs, or I'll be using some type of custom chart. I'll be showing you all, so you need to know that it's nothing wrong. But my main charting, my main strategy is price action, and these are EMAs and RSIs and on. These are your side add-ons. So this just for extra confirmation for me to enter in the market and for me to exit the market. That's all. Main is price action. Why price action? Why should I just follow the candlesticks and on? Because the indicators you have are lags, and indicators follow the price. So I learn price action first, I master price action first, then I'll be using the indicators later on just for add-on purposes. But other than that, I'll be using mainly price action, and I'll be explaining all and on what I'll be looking for, and what's the reason I enter, what's the reason I exit, what's wrong with the market, what do I look for, and on and on, all the good stuff. Okay, what I say fams, now the theory lesson is over. Okay, I already gone last week about the theory. From now onwards, until we become financially free, we are talking about practical. So you'll be seeing me losing money and you'll be seeing me earning. So guys and girls, as you can see here, we went back to 2012 all the way back to 2022, and you can see the video is clear. Look at the movement and everything. Look at the mic, you know. Okay, what happened? Well, I'm using MacBook right now, and the MacBook has this program called Photo Booth. I used to record, and it gives me a lot of errors. So right now it's working well. Let me just put it at the center. Boom, just like that. Everything's clear. Now I can do one presentation like this, and we in this studio. It's called Outdoors. Okay, and let me say, I hope you still love the videos. The content is important, the knowledge and content is important. But right now we are back to 8K again, butter smooth frame per second and stuff like that. Okay, back to this to my trading and to the strategy and the winning rate, everything. And I'm so happy right now. I can't explain because I myself understand the previous videos a bit pixelated and a bit problematic to view, but that's the reason why I put so much of icons here and there, just for for you to see. But right now everything's nice and beautiful, so we're gonna use this day to continue our video. So guys and girls, my trading strategy winning rate is around 85 to 90%. You heard me right, it is 85 to 90%. One may ask, Shadak, how do you achieve 85 to 95%, and what is this idea, and how do you get these numbers? Well, very simple. I took all my total trade, and what I did was I see the winning trade and the losing trade. So I have around 85% to 90% winning trade, and rest is all my losing trade. And I know why I went wrong and how to avoid it. And if I see that trade, I will exit my position quickly as possible. And you are right, you heard me right, it's 85 to 90%. And the answer being, well, when I backtest, I write down every single thing from the time I start all the way to the time I exit my position. I write down every single thing. Nothing is left away. How I felt, what I was looking at, why this thing went wrong. If it's aggressive selling, why is it aggressive selling? What news was happening? What time is it? What is the overall scope? Was there any outbreak of virus or something? The virus outbreak, war, or is there a threat for the forex pair? Is it somebody threatening that they're gonna sell it or they're gonna buy, and on and on. Even for gold, platinum, silver, even for Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything I have a backtest and proven strategy, and that's the reason why I confidently say that my strategy is 85 to 90% winning rate. But if you have a winning rate above 70% already, you are good to go. Okay, but like myself, I love to be the top 1%. I will give everything I have to prove myself that wait, this thing works. Before I use real money on it, before I win some, lose some, let me just backtest first using fake money. Remember, practice trade a lot, backtest a lot, and once you build the confidence, remember, confidence is very important. Once you build the confidence, you can put in real money, but a small amount, and you can open up small position, and from there we can bring your account even bigger, and on and on. But remember, guys and girls, I want you to backtest first, build a data for it, and then slowly open up a brokerage account. As you can see, fams, I'm sharing you my screen right now. This is one of the backtests I took on the 2nd of March 2022. This is British pound versus the US dollar. As you can see here, there was an uptrend. Okay, there was an uptrend, then the uptrend broke. You see the small tight stop loss and the huge profit all the way downtrend. And as you can see here, this is how price action works, but I'm using Fibonacci just to see some key areas, and I use Fibonacci together with the price. And you see buyers came in, the buyers came in, tried to push up, it failed, they went down. A retest happened at this zone here. Okay, so you can draw another straight line here, and what we can see here, rejection all the way down, and I saw an opportunity, I entered, and all the way down, take profit. So this is one of the example of backtesting, and this is another example too. So I draw a two channel over here, as you can see. So it was having an uptrend, and went back down to this highly demand zone, as you can see here. I know, Shadak, what's with all this line? Okay, I backtest this same currency again and again, way back in the chart. So, that's the reason why there's so much lines here at different key areas. Okay, guys and girls. So you need to understand, support become resistance, resistance become support. I short the market down here, boom, take profit. And I know, okay, this is a bit risky trade because I'm going against the market at over here. Okay, see here, the market is making uptrend, but I short the market. So you need to understand that if this strategy goes wrong, this is a failed strategy, but the overall scope is go with the trend. Okay, what I did was I short the market, but eventually it worked. So I short this market down all the way to this demand zone here, this sweet demand zone. And what happened was, once the market hit my take profit level, I switched my position to long position. Okay, stop loss is here. Okay, take profit is all the way up to here. Okay, but you can see it went higher, then when retest, it went even higher. But when this is a petty trade, But when you're using real money, your psychology will be different. You won't be doing a short position to get a long position. No, you won't be doing that. Okay, what we'll be doing is either we're going long or we're going short on one day. Not one day we're doing two trades, not like that. Okay, the strategy is one day, one trade, 20 pips. That's all. But this is just showing to you all. Okay, and you can see here I have put in some words, opportunity to buy when the price is above this certain level, opportunity to sell if price at certain this level here, or sell and buy, and on and on. Okay, and Fibonacci is here. Fibonacci is just for take profit level, enter and take stop loss. That's all. But other than that, it's all mainly price action. So fams, this will be my last chart I'm gonna explain and show it to you all. The reason being, take a look. My outside station is already dark, and I have to edit this video and on and on. And I'm doing a bit more back testing before I start with the actual money. Okay, but let me explain to you how this chart goes. Okay, how this trade went. So I saw the market, it was an uptrend. What I did was I draw my lines, basic lines, trend line, key areas. I waited for a while, see, okay, the market was at all-time high over here, and that's the mistake 99% traders do. They buy over here. Wrong. Let me tell you why. Because if you buy here, what's going to happen is the market got to fill in orders. Okay, the market has to go up and has to come down. If the market always goes up, that means nobody is selling the market, which means nobody is gaining profit from the market. See, all the people are bought and buying in the market right now. Okay, if you see all this type of aggressive buying and you don't see any type of selling, right, avoid the market, because your money is going in the market and you cannot take out your money. If you can take out the money, which means there's selling happening. So you need to see healthy candles of buying and selling at the same time. But if you see some weird market that's just like pumping in monies, which means there's no selling in position. Selling position is not available. So you need to avoid that type of market. So when I see these type of candles, I feel happy. Look, you can buy and you can sell. Means your money go in and your money comes out. Good. And a beautiful thing about this is there's key areas I'm looking at. Okay, I draw my key areas. I waited for a while. Boom, the market was this time all-time high. I waited. The market went down to this key area. So I waited more, and this happened. Okay, when I go back to my computer, what happened was I saw this other key area. It went down back here. Boom, enter at this key zone. Stop loss is the previous swing low, and I took profit over here. Okay, and I know the market will go all this key area. So you touch one time, two time, and it failed. Okay, it failed, went down back. It didn't go all the way down and went back all the way up here. And I know that there will be a retest and the market will go all the way up. Okay, because it's an uptrend. But we can say this for a downtrend too. There'll be rejection at the top and the market might go all the way down back, because remember, the market is a filling machine. It fills order up and down. Okay, so if you see aggressive buying, there must be some type of aggressive selling, aggressive buying, and aggressive selling. Okay, do not enter a market when you see just green candles. That means people are buying the market, there's no one selling in. And we just seeing all the red candle means people are selling the market, which means nobody's buying, so there's no profit. So you need to understand the basics. Beautiful green candles and beautiful red candles. Okay, and you see the market structure. So for this case, the buyers in, it was a bull market, it was uptrend, so I went to buy. So I didn't went against the market. I will follow the market itself. So fams, as you can see here, the initial level 1 is $20, then 164, which I highlight green because, like what I say, my brokerage only allows minimum deposit of $200. So we put in 200, but it's 212. We're just gonna slide it off a bit there. And tomorrow is the grand slam of 276. So as you can see here, and on and on. But once we hit this 30k, right, I'll be very happy already, But I won't be stopping the challenge. That's the thing. You're not gonna stop this challenge. You're gonna go on and on, okay, until we become 52k, or my case 50k, just for the sweet spot. And I'm gonna catalog everything. As you can see here, there is the Let me just go to the side. Note session. So I'm going to insert in all the notes, trading notes, and we're going to go in depth what went wrong and what went right. And will I win this challenge, or will I blow up my account, or what will going to happen, And there's a lot of stop losses, pips, and everything, and on and on. And I hope and I pray that, by end of this challenge, I will hit 50K. And once we hit this 50K profit, I'll tell you what's how I'm going to allocate the money, and what's going on with this money, and what will happen to the this whole Wi-Fi rice bowl and this high income skill. And you saw the spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet. You saw my practice trade. You saw the books and on, and how I do my let me just move this thing here. So my trading strategy. So if everything goes well and this whole thing works out, I'll be very grateful, and the money will be going on for other purposes, like other passive income idea, which I showed to you last week video. And guys and girls, stay tuned, okay? This is a beautiful trade, and I haven't seen like people doing this sort of trade online, other than the moving average and the other YouTube channel. But if I execute this and I get a profit, I'll be happy, I'll be grateful. Then I'll put in another passive income idea. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming this far in the video, and I love that you spend your time with me. And look at the background, it's already dark, I need to head back home, and we need to start editing this video. But before you go, I want you to go to the description below, and you see the links. There's quite a links there. You can buy my course. You can submit in the next week idea. If next week you want to talk about crypto out of nowhere, about let me see, about crypto or marketing or anything, just type it down there and we can talk about it. And go to the comment section, you comment as much as you want, you can like as much as you want. Remember to subscribe, because next week we already started the journey, and I want you all to witness how things went, and I will be 100% transparent to you all. And remember, Wi-Fi Rise was here and here to stay. So tell it to your friends, your family member, your teacher, your parents, your neighbors, your pets, and on that Wi-Fi Rise was here and here to stay. Until then, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you all next week with the challenge, and hope everything goes well. So remember, guys and girls, the Wi-Fi Rise was here and here to stay. Take care. Bye.